Mulching is a simple yet highly effective technique that can significantly benefit your garden. By applying a layer of organic or inorganic material over the soil surface, you can improve soil health, conserve moisture, suppress weeds, regulate temperature, and protect plant roots. Here I'm going to show you one example of how I mulch my garden, and also we're going to explore the benefits of mulching. First, mulch acts as a protective barrier, reducing moisture evaporation from the soil. This helps maintain consistent soil moisture levels, reducing the need for frequent watering. Secondly, a layer of mulch blocks sunlight, preventing weed seeds from germinating and competing with your plants for nutrients and water. Thirdly, mulch acts as insulation, protecting plant roots from extreme temperature fluctuations, keeping them cool in hot weather, and providing warmth in cold season. Fourthly, as organic mulch materials break down over time, they enrich the soil with essential nutrients and organic matter, improving soil structure and fertility. In this example, I am using compost and ash as the first two layers of mulching materials, but it's not necessarily. You can also achieve the same with using just organic mulch. Fifth, mulch helps prevent soil erosion caused by wind or water runoff, keeping your garden beds or plants intact. So what are the mulching techniques? First of all, clear the weeds and debris, and if you want, you can also water the area before applying mulch. In order to apply mulch, spread one layer of one mulch materials or several, like I did, up to 20 centimeters thick, ensuring that it covers the entire root zone of your plants while leaving some space around stems or trunks to prevent moisture-related issues. One of the best and easily decomposing materials are grass cutting, and if you are not using chemical pesticides or herbicides, you can use this mulch for mulching your trees or garden beds or anything else in your garden. When you mulch, the initial mulch is very fluffy. However, over time, organic mulches may decompose and compact. Therefore, it's important to replenish mulch as needed to maintain the desired thickness of your mulch. You should also occasionally fluff and loosen compacted mulch to allow air and water penetration. Also, keep monitoring for weeds and removing any that manage to sprout through the mulch layer. And obviously, the higher the layer of mulch, the less probability that any weed will sprout through it. Mulching is one of the main fundamental practices that brings numerous benefits to your garden, including moisture conservation, weed control, temperature regulation, soil improvement, and erosion prevention. By selecting the appropriate mulch materials and implementing proper mulching techniques, you can create a healthier, more sustainable, and visually appealing garden space. Embrace the power of mulching and enjoy the rewards of a thriving garden